This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, your auto start stop status, and now playing. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls with your climate controls here. You do have dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment for more storage up there. Then down here, you have a cubby area with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed out of the way for more room, with two cup holders here, and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which does have a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.